Okay, well, thank you very much for coming on to video number 2. And now we're going to get a little bit more into what separates us from the competition. First of all, let's face it, we're talking to people with claims problems. So they're going to be more receptive to the people that have a perfect record and they think they have great rates. Our people are facing very high increases, or they're getting offers that could choke a horse, and they're open and they're receptive. So let me tell you what we could do and gives you some more tools to make this work. First of all, we rate on mileage. Yep, that's what I said. We rate on mileage, not on the vehicles, not on the amount of vehicles. We're rating on mileage. Now, the amount of vehicles comes into play in the rating process, but the main criteria is mileage. So how does this help us? Well, this helps us because of the vehicle use. A lot of times, owners that have a bunch of vehicles, maybe 10, 15, 20 vehicles plus, they're not using all those vehicles every day. They're only using certain vehicles on most days. But then they also have some specialty vehicles in the back lot that they only use for certain jobs. Well, if you've got that kind of a prospect, well, this is fantastic, because it's very nice to be able to tell your client that you're only getting charged for that vehicle while it's in use. So specialty vehicles and down vehicles are a big issue, and they really work in your favor when we're talking about mileage. Next, we got flexible pricing, and what I mean by flexible pricing is that it's just a month to month. They're just paying monthly. We don't add any service charges to it or anything like that. You don't have to finance. Everything is very simple. Monthly payments. So this is the main reason, and this gives you a real edge up on your competition. When you're going to compete, if you're competing against somebody else, they're all coming in with traditional commercial auto quotes. You're coming in with something different, very different. And you may even offer them your traditional auto quote and this one side by side. Gives you a heads up. It gives you a heads up on the competition, and I think things will go really well for you. In our next video, you're going to show you a case study. So stay with us and move on to video number 3.